watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Raigada. Nabarangpur District. On the 15th of May 2021, District Police Administration to the general public and for the safety of women, school students, the Nirbhaya Seva has been launched. The service brought into play 11 siren-sounding scooties, 5 Scooty patrols for Nabarangpur District Headquarter, and 4 Scooty patrols for Umarkot have been deployed. Nabarangpur Police IIC Tariq Ahmed said that in all of these scooties will be the combined forces to the female police officers, especially to protect the street gangs in the city, and Road Romeos have been targeted. Such a move by the police department is generally praised by locals as a proper move. Report from C. Madari Patnayak, Sigma Media Lab, Nabarangpur.